back. I am getting ready for the day, as you guys saw. I don't know what this vlog is going to be about. I'm just popping in the camera. I think I'm just going to take you along with me today. Actually starting out with The Bachelor, getting ready while watching the finale of The Bachelor last night. What's the verdict? I don't even know. I'm only halfway through. I had no idea the finale was 3 hours long. That's insane. I don't have 3 hours to sit here and watch this all day. So I've been watching it while I get ready. I'm also drinking a little latte and just enjoying a slow, cozy morning. Figured we would go to the library today. Super random. I've been wanting to get over to the downtown Los Angeles library because I heard it's beautiful inside. Might get a library card while I'm there, just peek around, see what's in there. We're just gonna have a super chill, girly day. Go ahead and jump right in. Let me change my outfit though. Let's go to my closet. See if we can find a cute outfit together. Okay, I think it's like in the mid 50s today. So a cute little sweater moment could be cute, right? Even like on the shoulders. It's too bad I don't have a cute little pleated skirt, but that would be doing the most. Maybe we'll do this cream sweater, I'm thinking. This is why I love this rack. My extra rack that I have. I'll link it down below if you guys want it. It's from Amazon.
He was definitely like really happy.
You don't want to think?
I don't know. Fine, and I don't know how.
Feel love, but we've got some.
It's giving Hogwarts. Here to study. We'll take her off for now. Those are really just for looks, but what's more crazy, what's driving me nuts is this gray hair. I have one gray hair that's like alfalfa. Is that the guy who had a strand that stuck right up? That's my gray hair. It's like an old wives' tale that if you pluck it, 3 more are gonna come, right? Is that like true? I'm gonna have to wait until I dye my hair, but it's pretty crazy. Every few months I wake up with like a new spot that has gray hairs, and it's wild. My mom has like completely salt and pepper hair. Her roots, like if she lets them go, it's completely white. So that means that my hair is probably gonna be completely white as I age, but I think it could look really cool, like superwoman vibes. And if you tone it just right, think with like a good tan, it would look really cool. So I have something to look forward to. I'm not gonna complain about my grays yet, which is hilarious. Can't believe that's the stage of life that I'm in right now. About to head out now. Actually, I'm gonna water the plants. The library's not open till 10 a.m. so it's only 8. These are the pros of getting up at 5. I got up, I answered a crap ton of emails. I sent my invoices that I need to. I had a little mini panic attack. Somehow fit that in as well. Don't you worry. I'm not always doing amazing, okay? I feel like I used to be so bad at taking care of plants. I don't know if you guys know this or not. If you've been watching, I used to accidentally kill all my little planties, and I found out that's because I'm underwatering them. Go figure. So I'm gonna show you what I do. I don't do anything special except for this one thing, and all my plants are literally thriving. Look at this little baby. Okay, you have to put your plants in the type of pot that has the holes underneath. You have to have proper drainage. That's key number 1. Number 2, super easy. All I do is just put my plants into the sink, and then I just turn like a medium flow on, and then I water it. I drench it basically. And then I let it drain, of course, and that's it. And my plants have been thriving, perhaps because I'm in LA, so it's super dry, but either way, I feel like most climates could do this. And then I let it drain, and then I'll put it back in the little pot she's in, and that's what I've been doing for my plants. And then I also always take out the little dead parts, like little dead leaves. I always take those out so all of its nutrients can go to the parts of the plant that are alive. I think that's how that works. I don't know, still up for debate. Probably could just Google it to find the answer, but here's another plant that's doing really well. I don't know if you guys remember her. When I first got it, have you guys been watching that long? How cool would this be to just snake some of this around like the mirror or around some of the red brick? Would be just we head out to the library, I have to show you guys this new armchair I just got in. I'm obsessed. You guys know how much I love chairs and furniture. So I got something in for my office area. That's where I think I'm gonna put it at least. It's gorgeous. It's this beautiful white leather chair from Cheetah Living. This morning I went ahead and opened it. It was extremely easy to put together, which I love. I don't like to fuss around too much with screws and all of that. This was so easy. It came partially already done for me. I'm a huge fan of Cheetah Living furniture. They make all types of beautiful modern furniture like chairs, sofas, bar stools. They make so many beautiful pieces. I have a couple of their chairs already. Actually, the one you saw me move is also from Cheetah Living. I love their boucle fabric chairs, but this time I wanted to go with something a little different. I love my office little area, this little corner of my loft. It's so beautiful. I love working here, but I'm always on the hunt for a more comfortable like seating situation, anything that will allow me to sit for many hours. So I'm always looking for better options, and I think I found something in this swivel chair. So I put it together already and I'm going to show it to you guys right now. So the Tracy Power Swivel Recliner comes with a built-in charging port for your cell phone. It also has a USB port. It fully reclines as well as swivels, and it comes in multiple different colors. The leather comes in 2 colors. They also have a fabric version with a ton of options and even faux leather. What I love about it though is its reclining feature, which is going to be so comfy to watch Netflix, to work in. I also have it paired with my standing desk, so I have tons of flexibility there. I love that it swivels too. It will make a great chair for a nursery as well. Basically anyone, if you're looking for something a little bit more comfortable and chic, I highly recommend this chair. It also has a lumbar pillow for lumbar support, which is super important if you are sitting in it for several hours at a time. So that is the Tracy Power Swivel Recliner. I am absolutely obsessed after sitting on it for a few days. This leather is so incredibly soft. I'm so glad that is the fabric I went with. There's plenty of seat depth for both me and Zoe, and we have been just enjoying using this chair for work, for relaxation, and I'm obsessed. So if you want to get your hands on any of the Cheetah Living furniture, be sure to check out cheetahliving.com in the description box where you can find my link. Huge thank you to Cheetah Living for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Oh my god, this is giving me anxiety watching The Bachelor. Did you guys watch this season? Tell me you guys watched. It was really good. I'm just trying to finish The Bachelor before I head out today. I want to talk to you guys about it, but I don't know what happens yet. I'm just gonna say that I called it weeks ago. I told my friend, I'm like, just calling it now. He either picks Kelsey or no one at all. Those are my 2 guesses. Anyways, I kind of saw a sneaky spoiler of who the next Bachelorette is. I never ever watched The Bachelorette for some reason, versus The Bachelorette is like a bunch of guys, and I don't enjoy watching men in that way. Obviously, I can't like relate to them, so maybe that's why I don't like watching it as much, but I was planning to because I thought for sure that Maria was gonna be the next Bachelorette. I just really wanted to see more of Maria, but I think that I probably will. She just has like that kind of star quality that she'll probably end up doing really cool stuff, but that would have been such a fun Bachelorette season. That's my lowdown on The Bachelor. Sorry if I wasted your time with that if you don't watch. So I'm back home now. That was fun. It was super beautiful. The downtown LA public library is gorgeous. Won't be going back though, just because like the area that it's in wasn't my fave experience, but for what it's worth, it was a stunning library and I got some really great footage, I think. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that library. Libraries are not like something I usually frequent. I'm like an order my books online kind of girl, but it was nice. Like, I don't know, libraries just have that feeling. They remind me of elementary school and like the smell of the books, this plastic wrapped paperback books. I don't know if that makes sense. It's like wrapped in like noisy plastic and they just have a certain smell, and something about it was just like really nostalgic for me. So I just honestly enjoyed my day. I was gonna get a library card, but I didn't love the library itself, like the experience the area it was in, so I'm like, I'm probably not gonna come back here often, so I'm just gonna take a look around the library and get some content for you guys. It was really pretty and definitely worth at least visiting once. There's so many little things I haven't seen and done yet. I don't know about you guys, but I get in the habit of like doing the same thing over and over, like going to my local flower district, going to my favorite coffee shop, like try a new coffee shop. I'm waiting for my groceries to get here. Guys, let me find a remote. Okay, so I woke up to the gloomiest weather today. In the background, I'm watching Buying Beverly Hills. This is a really good show. If you're a Housewives fan, definitely watch Buying Beverly Hills. Like pretty homes and just with a touch of drama. You will love this show. I'm so into it. I'm watching it for the second time, like all the way through. Also, I'm so sorry about the clicking noise that you're hearing in some of the clips today. I need to do something about these little, like, they're basically the parts of the camera that you hook a strap through, and I don't have a strap through it, so it's like rattling against the camera, so that's the clicky noise that you're hearing. I will do my best to try and stop that going forward, but I do need to find a solution to that. I found a solution. I've got exactly an hour before I have to go to Pilates, so I thought I would do some organizing. This is not good. It's not a good quality video right now. There we go. So I have a solution for the clicky noise. Hold on, if I can plug it in. I'm gonna hot glue gun the sides. Today I wanted to continue the organization. Look how gloomy it is. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's so dark in the loft today. Normally the whole loft would be so bright and sunny, but it's actually very gloomy and dark, unfortunately, because I wanted to wake up and organize, seeing as I have like an hour before I have to get ready for Pilates. So let's go ahead and organize my dresser with me. It is so dark in here today, it's crazy. Okay, so also excuse my hair, I'm about to go to Pilates as I mentioned. Okay, these are the things I found on Amazon. I got one of these large little organizers are for like undies and socks, stuff like that. So I thought this would be perfect to put in my drawers to organize all my undergarments. And then I got these two as well. I should have got more to put them in like all of the drawers, but still I think this will be really useful. Hopefully the depth will fit. I haven't even tried this out yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be just fine. I have a smaller one here and a large one, and I will be sure to try and link them. This is what I came up with. This was so useful and nice, and I cannot believe I waited this long to do this. I know I said that at the last organization video, but truly this is life-changing. I like to fold my things. I fold it flat first, and then I turn it all like upright, if that makes any sense, so that I can see each item. If you fold it all flat, like stacked, you can't really see what you have, and you end up kind of like messing up the top to look through what's underneath. So I think this is a Marie Kondo method that she listed years ago that I found, but it's definitely really useful, and I can see everything. These are all my like ribbed tank tops. It's crazy that I have so much of the same thing because I am so bad at keeping it organized that I forget what I have. This whole entire thing is like undergarments, which I love. I just love having like So many different options. I have full body undergarments, skims. Do you know what my favorite color is? Can you tell from this? Literally, I'm a monochromatic girly. Then I also did my lingerie, socks, panties, but I do love this. I have all my little bralettes here. I love having that organized. Honestly, should have did that a long time ago. I ended up moving my old office chair over to the vanity, also from Cheetah Living, and I love this chair so much. You would have already seen this in an old video. Love this chair over here. It just has a more luxe feeling while I'm getting ready, so I'm really loving that chair there. And then I also did a fresh load of laundry, which is the best feeling to have fresh sheets. Look at them, they're so crispy and delicious. They are from Brooklyn, and this is their Pericle, I think it's called, something. I can't remember honestly, but I'll link it down below if you're interested. I took an everything shower, which you can't tell, but I literally have like the softest skin right now. I've lotioned, everything is soft. And now I'm going to try to find a show to watch. Or if you guys have anything that you're loving currently, please let me know, because I needed some new shows. I think I'm gonna start this Gentleman at some point. He is so fine, I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm gonna start this soon. I also want to see this Damsel movie. It has really great reviews. I did watch Three Body Problem. This is a good show. A very good show. Apparently it's a book actually, so yeah, highly recommend. Please let me know your recommendations of like shows you're loving right now down in the comments. Do you guys watch like the other, like the Spanish ones? They're so good. The Spanish Netflix shows that are dubbed. Not all of them are Spanish, some of them are like whatever languages they're in. There's some really good TV shows being produced in some other countries, and I love watching them on Netflix. Ending my night now. Sorry I've gone on. I have Chipotle. It's the best Friday night, guys. I've got wine, Chipotle, Coke Zero, everything a girl could want. So I'm gonna end my night here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna put a Netflix show on and call it a night. Good night, guys. See you next time.